Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to change your language on Temu. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that English isn't your first language and maybe Spanish is. How do you actually go ahead and change your language on Temu? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to log onto our Temu app, and then next you're going to click on the middle icon that says you on the bottom hand side. Now once you've clicked on that, the next thing that you're going to do is click on the upper right hand side, that icon that looks like a hexagon. And then from here, you're going to see a variety of different options. You want to click on language. Now, once you click on language, you'll see that you'll be able to change the Temu language to Spanish, French, Portuguese, and more. Go ahead and select the language that you want to be reading Temu in. So with that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your language on the Temu shopping app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.